My 10-year-old daughter, Chloe, is obsessed with marine biology, like obsessed. Her birthday, we did a deep-sea tour in Monterey. She spent the whole time correcting the guides about bioluminescent pressure thresholds. She's a lot. Last week, she came home from school, dumped her backpack, and just stared at the wall. Asked her what was up, and she whispered, Mr. Miller told the class that Megalodons are still alive in the Mariana Trench. Laughed, thinking it was a joke, but Chloe wasn't laughing. Mr. Miller is her science teacher, a guy who thinks his tenure makes him immune to being wrong. The whole period showing found footage mockumentaries as if they were actual Discovery Channel research. Chloe raised her hand, very politely, by the way, to explain that the water temperature at those depths would literally freeze a warm-blooded super predator. Mr. Miller snapped. He had to, quote, stop acting like a know-it-all and a week of detention for disrupting the curriculum with internet theories. He confiscated her favorite encyclopedia, the one signed by Robert Ballard. They found the Titanic. I tried emailing him. His response: I've been teaching science since before your daughter was a thought. I don't want telling me how to do my job. Oh, game on. My brother-in-law is a senior researcher at the Scripps Institution of Oceanography. 2 days later, I showed up at the school with a surprise guest speaker for the STEM assembly. Looked smug until my brother-in-law walked in, wearing his official research gear, and started the presentation with a slide titled, Why Cryptids Aren't Real Science. He didn't just debunk the myth, he showed thermal imaging and biological data that made Mr. Miller's curriculum look like a fairy tale. He ended the talk by saying, and special thanks to one of the brightest young minds I know, Chloe, for flagging this misinformation. The prince right there. Chloe back, her detention was wiped, and let's just say Mr. Miller is now required to attend a modern scientific accuracy seminar over the summer. Don't mess with actually reads.